Hi, my name is Joseph. I go by Joey. I'm a technician here at Electronic Locksmith, and I've worked here for almost 4 years. I think most people would describe me as energetic, outgoing, and friendly, and I always love meeting new people. The culture here is very unique. Everybody is so collaborative, friendly, and willing to help anybody in need at any point in time.
Hey Baron, how's it going? Pretty good. How's it Joey?
One area that I've grown significantly in working here is understanding and knowing that people do make mistakes, and when you do make a mistake, it's okay. Own up to it, move past it, learn from it, and don't let it happen again. A lot of times when I come in the morning, I'm very excited to see what challenges the day will present. I'm looking forward to seeing all of my coworkers because we all do get along very well and we have some very interesting conversations sometimes. One thing that I'm aspiring to do is become an electrical engineer. It's very helpful working here because I get to work directly with the engineers that have already gone through it sometimes. And I also get a lot of on-the-job training just in my regular technical job that helps relate a lot of the concepts that I'm learning in school to the actual real world.